You want to come see some chickens? Let's go, come on. In here. Isn't it cool? The chickens come in here in the day to stay cool. They also eat and drink water in the day. Look at that little one. He's eating. He must be hungry. And in the nighttime, they need to sleep. So they go up this ramp right here. They go up this ramp and they go into this hole. And this is where they go and sleep and they lay eggs. Do you want to check it out with me? Come on, let's go. Hey kids, this is where the chickens lay their eggs. Isn't it cool? Do you know chickens can lay up to 300 eggs a year? That's a lot of eggs, isn't it? Eggs are so good for you. You should eat them all the time. And you can make them in all different types of ways. Let's go pick some fresh eggs together. Let's go. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's a lot of eggs. Check it out. Do you see this chicken? She's sitting on her eggs. She's waiting for them to hatch. Do you know that it takes 21 days for a chicken to sit on its eggs and then they become baby chicks? Isn't that cute? That's amazing. Let's go see some baby chicks. Are you ready? Let's go. These little chicks, they're so cute, but they're really fast. I can't catch any. Look at all these chickens. There's so many chickens. Do you know a group of chickens is called a flock? Wow, they're very hungry, these chickens. There's all different colors over there. There's black, and there's brown. There's a white one down there. Wow! Check out these chickens, kids. Their beaks are very pointy, and they have feet to scratch around for food. Do you know that chickens have more bones in their necks than giraffes do? Isn't that interesting? They also love to eat worms and grains and bread for a treat. They love it. You know they also have amazing hearing and very awesome eyesight and an excellent memory. They love these chickens. See that chicken all the way down there? That one's called the rooster. That's the bull. animals. Aren't they amazing animals? I had so much fun at the chicken farm today with all these chickens. If you had fun and you want to feed more, subscribe to my channel. It's me, DeeDee. Bye-bye. See you next time, kids.